In this video, we will discuss about uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Let us discuss first a uniform motion. Uniform motion is the motion in which the particle moves with a constant velocity, or during the motion its velocity remains same. Let us see this example. In this example, this is your origin, and a particle A start its journey from the origin from here and move along this path. Now the position of the particle at different time is given here. That is, at 5 seconds it is 20 meter distant apart from O. At 10 seconds it is at 40 meter distant apart. At 15 second it is 60 meter distant apart. Now in each time interval, here time interval is of 5 seconds, this time interval is also 5 seconds, this time interval is also 5 seconds. Now what is the distance traveled in the first 5 seconds? It is 0 to 20, that is 20 meter. For this much time interval from 5 to 10 seconds, he has covered from 20 to 40. And what is the distance covered here? 40 minus 20, that is also 20 meter. This also in next this 5 seconds he has covered from 40 to 60, that is also 20 meter. So he covers in equal interval, that is 5 seconds, he is covering equal distance. Then the motion is said to be uniform motion. If you calculate the velocity in each interval, here for this case the velocity is distance, that is 20 meter divided by time, that is 5 seconds. It is coming out to be 4 meter per second. For this much time interval, it is a 20 divided by 5, again it is coming out to be 4 meter per second. For this case also 20 divided by 5, again it is coming out to be 4 meter per second. So you say that in each case, in each time interval, the velocity is same. So the uniform motion is that motion in which the velocity of the particle remain same and it covers equal distance, 20 20, similarly so on. It covers equal distance in equal interval of time. Then the motion is said to be uniform motion. Here the motion is said to be uniform motion if a body covers equal distance displacement in equal interval of time. In uniform motion, velocity of the particle remain same. In uniform motion, the velocity of the particle remains same during the motion. So this is your uniform motion. We have various examples of uniform motion. In reality, it is not possible to have a uniform motion, but if you take the ideal case, that is a car moving on a road with a constant velocity and on horizontal road in straight line. So similarly, there are various such examples. Now let us discuss about non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion, as the name is also suggesting us, non-uniform, which is not uniform, means during the motion velocity is not uniform, not same. So that means the motion is non-uniform motion. Let us do this example. Let us see this example. In this example, a particle is starting from its journey from origin O and moving on a straight horizontal road along this path. In this diagram, at different time, the position of the particle is given. The position is measured from the origin. Here, at the first 5 seconds, it is at 20 meter apart from the origin. After 10 seconds, it is 50 meter distant apart from the origin. At 20 seconds, so let us do this example. Here, a particle is starting its journey from the origin and move on the horizontal straight road. Here in this diagram, here the position of the particle at different time is given. Here 5 at 5 second the position is 20 meter.
खाना खाना है कि नहीं खाना है?
आ रहा हूँ मैं
कितनी देर में आए?
5 मिनट में।
नहीं तो जब मैंने बोला कि खाना खा लो तो उठ के आने का क्या?
दो मिनट रखना, ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब मत कर मेरे। Let us do this example. Here a particle is starting from its journey from origin and is moving on the horizontal straight road. Here at different time the position of the particle is given. At 5 second it is at 20 meter apart. After 10 second it is 50 meter apart from the origin, and after 15 second it is 100 meter apart from this origin. Now let us calculate the distance traveled in different times or in each or equal interval of time. Calculate distance in equal interval of time. So at first 5 second it has covered at first 5 second it has covered 20 meter. Next 5 second he has covered 50 minus 20, 30 meter, and next 5 second from 10 to 15, 50 to 100, that is 50 meter. Now you see here in each time interval or equal time interval the particle has covered a different distance. In first he has covered 20, in next 30, and then 50 meter. So when a body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, then the motion is said to be non-uniform motion. If you calculate the velocity in first case, distance divided by time, that is 20 divided by 5, it is 4 meter per second. For this case the velocity is 30 divided by 5, that is coming out to be 6 meter per second. For this case distance is 50 divided by 5, that is 10 meter per second. See here in each time interval the velocity is different, not same. So when a body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, then the motion is said to be non-uniform motion. And if a particle is moving with the not equal velocities, having different velocities, or we can say variable velocity, then the motion is non-uniform motion. The motion is said to be non-uniform if a body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. And in non-uniform motion, velocity of the particle is variable during the motion. So that is called as a non-uniform motion. A school bus moving on a road, so that is also a non-uniform motion. This is example of non-uniform motion. As the school bus drop the student, so sometime it speeds up, or a bus moving in a traffic, road. That is also a non-uniform motion, because sometimes it has to speed up, sometimes it slow down, stops. So the velocity is continuously changing. Then that motion is non-uniform motion. So if you combine both uniform and non-uniform motion, if you combine both non-uniform and uniform motion, in simple word we can say that when the velocity of the particle is same, then it is uniform motion. If it is variable, changing, then it is non-uniform motion. Thanking you.